Hello everyone and welcome to today's No FOMO Charts weekly watch list video. Today is June 2nd, 2024, just after 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trying out a new watch list idea for my channel and my videos. This is my potential watch list for potential chart setups and patterns in the market. Crypto, we have Bitcoin at 20 SMA support with the potential bearish MACD momentum. Ethereum with the potential bearish head and shoulders. Link and Monero at a resistance zone with some MACD bearish momentum. Stacks and VeChain at a support zone. Stocks, Dow Jones ETF, as well as SPY, QQQ, and IWM all bouncing from their Fibonacci support levels. There might be a little bit of intraday volatility to the upside this week, watching for that off of the potential Morningstar candle or hammer candle patterns. Bristol Myers Squibb and Disney with some MACD bullish momentum. Home Depot and Lowe's with MACD bullish momentum as well. Hertz and Lyft are in a potential support zone, and Siri might be the next potential short squeeze. Earnings releases coming out this week. CrowdStrike, Campbell Soup, Dollar Tree, Lululemon, ChargePoint, that's a meme stock. Five Below, Sienna, and DocuSign, just to name a few. Economic data releases, OPEC meetings, manufacturing, the jobs report, job openings, and job report going to be very important this week. Non-farm employment change, services, PMI, unemployment claims, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rate. OPEC is going to affect US oil and natural gas possibly. Just a few news. NVIDIA announced their new Rubin AI chips, and they're planning to release AI chips on an annual release schedule. So every year, that's faster than before. Apple Worldwide Developers Conference, WDC, is on June 10. ARK Investment ended its partnership with 21 Shares Ethereum ETF, the spot ETF, but they said ARK is committed to their Bitcoin ETF. That's notable. That is notable. So ARK is not going to do an Ethereum ETF. Ethereum Classic recently completing its halving on May 31st, 2024. Thanks for watching this weekly watch list video, June 2nd. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.